Did your Cummins ISX break down when showing signs of oil consumption, constant DPF regeneration, plugged oil filters, sticking VGT actuator? Your ISX liners may have heavy bore polishing due to carbon packing. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Install this APR in-frame rebuild kit for the Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. We believe in only using new, high-quality parts in our Cummins ISX rebuild kits. Each part follows OE specifications and tolerances. This APR in-frame rebuild kit will help prevent increased oil consumption and increase DPF life. The anti-polish scraper ring will prevent any carbon from contacting the cylinder walls, otherwise the piston will build up with carbon, causing polishing of the walls. Seal up your Cummins ISX with a complete upper engine gasket set, protecting your most vital components in your engine. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.